Alright, let's put a tack on this 1984 Mercury straight 6. So I think I got everything I need. I got a factory wire harness, and I got this tack used off of eBay. It's pretty cool. It's got an hour meter too, and it is a 12 pole 6 pulse is what you need. And your gray wire is the signal, black is ground, purple is ignition when, or power when ignition's on. I just got this hooked on out of the boat, make sure it works before I drill a 3 1/4 inch hole in the dash there. But for my research, this is what I need. The factory harness just plugs into the front of your controls right here. We'll run all this wire nice in a minute, but I just want to hook this up and make sure this works. Like I said before, I drill the hole in the console. I got this tack used off eBay and it's kind of foggy, but oh well, it'll do. I had one of these, well, it was an older 6-cylinder from like 64 I think it was, or 66, and it was on a Glastron. It had a cool old air glide tack. I had found one of those on eBay, NOS in the box still. I was about to buy it and I was like, wait a minute, I better check because the ignition systems on these newer towers are different, so good thing I did. So some research, and this is what I came up with. Pretty sure it's gonna work. Oh, needle moves, that's a good sign. Call that good. Let's cut the hole. Alright, so I'm going to take the steering wheel off for access. Couldn't get the drill in here. I just traced around the circle of the tack. Use a little X-Acto knife, cut around this material. Otherwise, once the blades hit this and this foam, it'll rip this whole material off of here. So don't want that to happen. You want to keep it looking somewhat nice, even though it's old. Let's see. Well, that should work. Now for the nerve-wracking part. Just when I think I'm done making a mess in this boat, start cutting metal all over the place. Yeah. Aluminum's thicker than I thought it was. I'll have to vacuum this out. Okay, anyhow. Got plywood back here. So, I'll have to cut that out now. That still looks too bad. Okay. Alright, there it is, all in place and hooked up. Too bad the lens is cloudy on this thing, but when you buy stuff from eBay, that's what happens. So we just ran the wire from the controls up under here. I was gonna try to pull this panel off and tuck everything back here, but I can't pull it off because the console is in front of it. But this goes up there. Let's see if you can see the back of the tach. That's it. Not too much trouble. It's nice with the wiring harness from Mercury.